A world where every child grows with happiness. A world where everyone can dream of hope. Good Neighbors, founded in Korea in 1991 to be the world's good neighbor, is creating warm changes across the world to build a world without hunger and a world where we live together in harmony. Since stepping into Kyrgyzstan in 2014, Good Neighbors has been working hand in hand with local communities to carry out integrated community development projects in education, healthcare, income generation, and advocacy, all to ensure children grow up healthy and respected. In rural Kyrgyzstan, outdated school facilities and limited educational resources make it difficult for children to access quality learning opportunities. Good Neighbors supports better education by setting up various facilities, including ICT and STEAM classrooms, enabling children to develop digital skills and creative thinking alongside their studies. We also provide school supplies and conduct teacher training programs, building a safe and nurturing learning environment for every child. Children's health is the foundation of a happy future. However, in areas with limited medical access, mothers and infants face serious health risks. Through our Good Mama project, we focus on prenatal and postnatal care to reduce infant mortality rates. We also strengthen the capacity and improve the facilities of local health clinics and provide mobile health services to ensure essential healthcare reaches those who need it most.
Good Neighbors уюму менен иш алып барып келебиз. Кош бойлуу аялдардын ден соолугун чың болушуна салымыбызды кошуп келебиз. Кош бойлуу аялдарга бесплатный ушу сумкасын да берет. Ошо сумканын ичинде балага пленкасы да бар. Энеге дагы ал жерде камсыздап коюшканда энеге керектүү нерселери да бар. Калктын саламаттыгына кайдыгер карабаган ушу Good Neighbors уюмуна чоң рахмат, ыраазычылыгыбызды билдиребиз да.
Clean water and hygiene are critical to maintaining good health. Still, many areas in Kyrgyzstan lack access to safe drinking water and adequate sanitation. Poor sanitation facilities especially impact girls' ability to attend school comfortably. Good Neighbors is implementing girl-friendly toilet projects in schools and installing water purification and hand-washing stations, along with hygiene education, helping children and communities foster healthy living habits. These small changes bring great hope to their lives.
Good Neighbors тараптан төмөнкү чыгай өкмөтүнө ошол билим берүү мекемелерине ажатканаларын жаңыртып берип атат. Адан тышкары ушул аз камсыз болгон үй бүлөлөргө Good Neighbors тараптан жакшы жардамдар болуп атат. Адан тышкары биз жергиликтүү бюджеттин дагы эсебинен ошол көмөк көрсөтүп, будан ары дагы ошол Good Neighbors менен дагы кеңири дагы будан да көп жумуш аткарабыз деп үмүттөбүз да.
Sustainable change depends on the economic independence of communities. Good Neighbors educates and introduces climate-smart agriculture practices, helping farmers grow crops that withstand climate change while increasing productivity. This approach reduces risks from natural disasters, ensuring stable harvests and higher incomes. We also provide microloans to improve financial access for farmers, boosting agricultural efficiency and strengthening economic self-reliance.
Дыйканчылык жөнүндө көп жакшы түшүнүктөрүм жок эле. Тренингтерди өткөзүп, окууларды өткөзгөндөн кийин жакшы түшүнүктөр пайда болуп, кандай жерди иштетиш керек, кандай негизде иш кылыш керек, ошонун баарын үйрөндүк. Элита үйрөнүүнү алдым. Ал үйрөндү. Дети күзүндө беребиз акчасын. Бизге аябай сонун жеңилдик да.
Good Neighbors actively conducts various rights advocacy programs to raise awareness and protect children's rights. We focus on preventing child abuse and school violence, ensuring children grow up in safe, respectful environments. We also collaborate closely with the government to ensure child protection systems function effectively on the ground. By improving community awareness and strengthening networks, we strive to build a society where everyone is treated equally and safely. Ensuring that children and community members of Kyrgyzstan live safe and healthy lives, Good Neighbors is creating meaningful change every day on the ground. Good Neighbors will continue to spread hope across Kyrgyzstan, committed to fostering lasting and sustainable change. Good change for the world. Good Neighbors.